Okay guys, today I'm gonna try to answer some of the questions regarding marketing of the properties. So question number one, how will you market my property? Of course, the professional brokers and agents will do both ways, online and offline, so traditional way. So of course, with the Keller Williams organizations, we get an access to the Facebook and Google algorithms, so we can market and target specific buyers for your property. Will my home be on Zillow, Realtor.com, and on social media? Of course, it's up to you. You're deciding how do you want me or us, the realtors, to your property be advertised and marketing. Usually, all the social media and Zillow and Realtor, of course, are available for a marketing.